Morgan Middle School. Fridays are school spirit days. Show your school spirit and wear spirit shirt, spirit hoodies, or MMS colors. The first hour with the most school spirit for each month will receive donuts from the student council. This month's student council has hidden pumpkins around the school. If you find one, take it to Miss Carter's and receive a treat. Pumpkins are not hidden in classrooms, bathrooms, locker rooms, or the library. Now a message from Miss Webster.
Howdy, Morgan Middle School. The votes are in. Every Utah History A, we have a Join Our Tribe Rush Week poster extravaganza, and the winners are going to be announced right now, right here. Right this way in third hour, we have the, drum roll please, the Ute Tribe first place, and the ones that created that are Liam Casey, Bodie Nelson, Stephen Matthews, and Crew Smith. Fellas, come find me. I'll give you a treat. Right this way, we'll come down to fifth hour. And we have, just gotta check my notes. We have, drum roll please again, ladies. We have the surprise Ute Tribe again. And the creators of this lovely creative poster are Lena Rose, Ellie Walker, London Whittier, Leah Nelson, and Jersey Hardman. Come find me, chicas, and I'll give you a little treat. Join this tribe. And then 6th hour, last one. And sorry to break the streak, but it will not be the Ute Tribe. This one is the Shoshone Tribe, first place, and the winners of this are Scarlett Hell, Addie DeWitt, Reagan Allen, and Ella Bingham. Come find me, join these tribes, and get a treat.
Congratulations to Evelyn Merrill, Berkeley Peterson, Seth Stevenson, Trey Kelville, Caleb, Karen, Jackson Davis, Hattie Googler, Catalina Phillips, Samson Reese, Bishop Farley, Rose Love, and Hiram Rich on Big Students of the Month for October. Stop by the office for your treat. Congratulations again.
Student Council will be having a Halloween costume contest. Categories include Best Character from a movie, book, or TV show, Best Duo or Trio, I don't care which, Best Overall, Most Accurate, Most Basic, Most Creative, Most Funny, Most Original, and Most Scary. Sign up in Mrs. Carter's classroom by October 29th. If you would like to enter, judging will take place during lunch on Halloween. Winners will be announced during the Halloween dance and 5th grade Halloween activity.
Now a message from Mr. Morrell and Mr. Christensen.
Happy Friday, everyone. We made it. We have a short week next week. It's fall break, so hang in there. Do really good for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We really need to up our game on our lunch behavior. First lunch, cannot eat outside next week because you've been leaving a mess. So when we get that back, make sure that you clean up your stuff. Second lunch, you're doing a good job. You guys can still eat outside. We bought a bunch of recess equipment. We bought pickleball equipment, we bought spike ball equipment, we bought cornhole. Our lunch aids are ready to go, so you can check those pieces of equipment out at lunch, go out with your friends, play some games, have a little fun, and then just clean them up. So see one of our lunch aids for how to check out the equipment. Have a great weekend.
Please stand and repeat after us.
I am capable of amazing things.
I am positive.
I am enough.
Have a great week, Wolverines!
Hello, Morgan Middle School. I'm Candy Christensen. And I am Casey DeMont, Mrs. DeMont. And we are the Hope Squad advisors. And we just want to let you know a little bit about Hope Squad. We have 24 of our students that are on Hope Squad. Every Thursday they're wearing their Hope Squad T-shirts. They're teal this year. And they are here to just be friends and help you guys out when you need someone. So if you look for them, they are there to help you find just an adult if you're struggling. Maybe you just need to talk to someone. But our Hope Squad is here to help you feel comfortable and safe at our school. Awesome. Yes, so
Squad. We love you, Wolverines, and we just want you to be the best you can be. So we're here to support you.
Hi, I'm Lila Christensen. I'm in 8th grade and I'm on Hope Squad. I'm Cece Goodrich. I'm in 8th grade and I'm on Hope Squad.
I'm Avery Porter. I'm in 8th grade and I'm on Hope Squad.
I'm Clay Kuhn. Hi, who am I here with?
EA Wild. I'm on Hope Squad and I'm in 8th grade. Who am I here you with?
Coach Mack.
What do you think Hope Squad does in our school?
I think they take care of the kids who just need a little, I would say, protection from themselves and other students.
Thanks, Coach Mack.
Hi, my name is Chesner Rich and I'm on Hope Squad. I'm Ella Bingham. I'm in 7th grade and I'm on Hope Squad. I'm Lizzie Trinis. I'm in 7th grade and I'm on Hope Squad. I'm Hudson Dunn.
Who am I here with?
Erica Nassiger.
What makes you who you are?
I'm good at sports.
That's good.
Who am I with? Jackson Davis. What grade are you in? 7th grade. What makes you who you are? I like to play music. Who am I here with?
Olivia Wiscombe. I'm in 8th grade and what makes me is I play volleyball.
Kenya Riddell. I'm in 7th grade and what makes me is I play soccer.
I'm Kinley Collister and I'm in 7th grade and something that makes me who I am is that I like to shop.
I'm Lyndon Whittier. I'm in 7th grade and what makes me is I like soccer.
I'm McCray Mavis. I'm in 7th grade and I like to play basketball.
My name's Trayton Toon.
I'm Daxton Kimball. I'm in 7th grade and I like dirt bikes.
I'm McCoy Johnson and I'm in 7th grade and I like to play basketball.
I'm Cole Toon.
My name is Rodeo Trander and I like hanging out with friends and I'm in 8th grade.
What grade are you in?
7th.
What's your name?
Bailey Wild.
What do you like to do for fun?
I like to draw and make costumes.
That's good.
I'm Dresden Elmer.